Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Ree with JP Makeup Studio, and today I will be doing a very bronze orange fall type look, a little bit of glam, using my Aerglo palette and the Morphe palette. I believe it's the 350 S or M. I will link everything below, as well as my Anastasia Prism palette. And as far as for the Morphe palette, I just went ahead and used a very light brown, and then I went for my transition color. For my crease color, I used a chocolate brown, and then there's also an orange color from that palette I added to my lid, and then I went in with the Anastasia palette, and just to top a little bit of shimmer on top of that orange and also in the inner corner. And then I'm going back in with my blending brush just to blend everything in so I can just have a really smooth look on my eyes. No harsh lines, and just having everything just blended in very well. Now what I'm going to do next is I just added the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going in with my palette from Aerglo, and I'm going in with the Color Perfection. Now for the Color Perfection, it is different now. I had a color before, but I thought the color was okay, but the color that I have now I really like, so I just basically added that new color into the Aerglo palette, and it's just a little bit more detailed. It gives you a little bit more sparkle. It has everything from dark blue to green, a little bit of gold, some bronze. It's very pretty, so you should check it out. It's on jpmakeupstudio.com/shop. We have some sales going on right now for Halloween, as well as if you purchase $50 or more, you will receive free shipping. But let me go ahead and zoom in for y'all so y'all can see how that glitter really sticks. You can use it with or without glitter primer. I know some people like to use the adhesive for the adhesive glue, like the Duo, or just whatever you use for your eyelashes. But yes, it sticks, with or without. Next, I have already added my foundation. I did use the Clinique, the Prime and Concealer. I will link that below. But my technique for my highlighting is I blend in, and then I go in with my beauty blender, and I just get all the edges to make sure everything is blended in well. And when you're doing this part, just go ahead and take your time. You just want to make sure that everything is just really smooth. No rough lines, no harsh edges. Just take your time when it comes to this part. Now I did go in with my black Radiance powder. I used that to contour, and I'm just using a Real Technique brush. And now I'm just adding some blush from MAC. I love this blush, and I will link it below. It's so pretty, and it goes well with the look. Yes, child, I'm getting that jawline right now just to smooth and make everything all nice and slim. I do have a tendency to have my face is a little bit fuller towards the bottom, so when I contour my jawline, it really does make a difference. when you're using, when you're contouring your nose, I like to brush up and into my shadow up towards my eyebrow. Just create some more natural look for your face. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video.